Even though you entered here having them, he's telling you now unaddress everything. You abide with his laws. That is abiding his word. Now he requests to do this. Love him wholeheartedly. Love him with all your soul. God doesn't want you to give him all the time, meaning all the glories in whatever you do. You hold it and you give it back to God. You put all your heart unto him. All your heart. You feel your life has God. A certain man said, I with my household shall serve God. Meaning all the house and everything. All your things are where your heart. That's where your heart is. If he sits at your heart, he speaks of everything so that you may serve God. Whatever you do, there's something you put at your crown, at your account. So he's saying with all your heart. And even he said with all your soul. That's what God is questioning. Your thoughts. Everything inside of you, as they worship God, your soul. That's where the decision is. That's where the thoughts are. What you speak. So you hold everything. You give them to God. God wants to work for us. So you may raise up and worship him. When Israelites went at the shore, it felt like it can worship the God. It felt it can worship God. As it was still in Egypt, it had only grumbling. God brought it with all the behaviors of Egypt. But after God started doing great things to them, they started entering deep in God. But let me remind you of this. If you remain in the behaviors of Egypt, even in the promised land, God can destruct you. In the nation of Israel, God can put you together with the Egyptians and destruct you. Children of God remained worshipping the image. What God is telling you to undress. What is saying that circumcise yourself. There are those who fail to circumcise themselves. God destructed them. And because of unfaithfulness, God may make you reach somewhere. As you need to hold faith, as it needs you to go to God, it needs you to walk in his word, it needs you to hold on to him. As you love him with all your soul, if you fail to do so, in this nation, when you despise where you're going, you can see where you're departing from and you have the testimony. He can make you remain there. You can see where you're going. There is something enough for you to say, I've originated from somewhere. But you have little faith, that's why you fail to go ahead. You may be distracted from there. If he brought you from